The National Weather Service in Flagstaff has issued a fire weather watch due to strong winds and low relative humidity, which is in effect from Monday afternoon through Monday evening. A fire weather watch in effect from Monday afternoon through Monday evening due to strong winds and low relative humidity for east central Arizona, affected area, Little Colorado River Valley in Navajo and Apache counties, eastern Mogollon Rim, White Mountains winds, south 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour relative humidity, 8-15% impacts. Any fires that develop will spread rapidly.